Hey guys, how's it going? This is David with OPT7 Beta Testing Team, and today we're going to be doing a how-to installation video on the Honda Civic 10th generation taillights. It is a very simple step-by-step process. All you're going to need is a basic Phillips screwdriver, or if you have a socket set also will be very helpful. Aside from that, if you want to use masking tape to cover the edges on the trim, you could go ahead and do that just to protect your paint and not scratch anything. As for me, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to wrap the vehicle sometime in the future, but as of right now, let's go ahead and jump into the installation video for the headlights. I'll be using a socket set. I already have everything pre-done, so I already know what to do. If you are new to this installation, don't worry, it's a very simple step. There's nothing to worry about. If you ever mess up on anything, again, there's nothing you can mess up on. The cables are very easy to place. It's just a plug and play. No manual needed. If you need any sort of help, you can always reach out to OPT7 and they will be more than happy to help you out with any questions or concerns that you have. Let's go ahead and remove this. You're going to want to grab the bottom and the top right, and you're going to want to pull towards yourself. You heard one snap, which is one clip, and then two snaps, that's the second clip. You're going to have connections 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fifth one's going to be a clip holding everything together. Let's go ahead and touch the clip, and you're going to want to pull up towards you and away from the housing. Clip 2, you're going to want to grab from the back, and this is my aftermarket LEDs for my reverse. I'm not going to be using that. What I do need will be this guy right here. Got it off. Let's throw this back in there so there's no dust going in. Secured. That's clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, and there we go. It's out. Honda's OEM housing, it is out. Go ahead and give this area a quick little wipe to remove any dirt, residue. Here we have the aftermarket OPT7 smoke sequential tail lights. We have the LEDs for the turn signals. We got your brake lights and your reverse lights in here. If you look at the back area, pretty simple layout. These are the guys you're going to concentrate on. This you could tape off and close it so there's no water touching it, but again, it shouldn't be any sort of issues for you. And the guys you want to clip back on is 1, 2, and hold 1 and 2. So again, let's hide your cables. Snap. One move. Perfect, and perfect alignment. 1 out, 2 out, 3 out. If you look in here, there's going to be a bolt in here hidden through this hole. We have to take that one off in order for you to remove the housing. Aside from that, we do have this little white clip. You're going to want to press it end to end and push it out. It's a bit tricky, but you'll get it there. Once you do that, go ahead and unclip, and you're going to pull this guy out. In the meantime, let's go ahead and unscrew that little bolt. Magnetic section you could use. You caught it. Let's see what it will take to get this guy off. It's on. This way, 1, 2 on the outside. Third one and the inside through this little hole. Typically dirty from your car washes and weather. This is, it's going to be area that's going to be sealed with this foam right here. If you have a rag, go ahead and clean that area. Give it a quick little wipe. This guy, we're going to hold it in place. Perfect, you know, did it itself. Just go ahead and plug that in. That's done, and back in. let's go ahead and do what we did before. Grab a tissue, place it in here, grab a screw or bolt or nut, and now it's not gonna fall off when you try to put it back in there. Close that back on. We gotta put our clips back in, 1, 2, and 3.